Good morning, students. Welcome back to our social science class. Okay. Now we discuss about festivals of India. We celebrate all the festivals with fun, joy, and togetherness. In India, people celebrate many festivals. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lamps or lights. It is celebrated joyously by Hindus all over India. Christmas. Christians celebrate Christmas all over our country on 25 December. Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is an important Muslim festival of our country. It is believed that the Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad in the month of Ramadan. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is the festival of Sikhs. The anniversaries of Sikh Gurus are known as Guru Purabs and are celebrated with great devotion. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is celebrated by the Buddhists. It commemorates the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated by the Jains. Next, we discuss about harvest festivals. Our country has a variety of interesting harvest festivals. In Kerala, the harvest festival is celebrated as Onam. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal, the harvest festival, is celebrated over a period of 4 days. Some other harvest festivals of India are Bhogali Bihu, celebrated in Assam, Shankaranti in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and Baisakhi in Punjab. Okay students, thank you.